So I've turned my car on 4 times now. It's 7:05 in the morning on October 16th. You can see, the windows are a bit frosted and stuff. Windshield wipers not working. Heating cooling system not working. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it off, try to turn it on again, see if that stuff comes back on. Alright. Still nothing. Cut it off. Turn it back on. Air and stuff not working. Alright, everything else working. But the wipers and the heating and cooling system. Turning it off again. Once again. Still nothing. Air and stuff not working. Wipers not working. This is now 6 times starting and shutting off my car.